This video will demonstrate my mastery of AECT Standard 2, Content Pedagogy. I have chosen artifacts that will demonstrate effective implementation of education technologies and processes based on contemporary content and pedagogy. EdTech 542 class, Project-Based Learning, I created a project called the Great App Challenge, where students were to create an app that would help their community or themselves or their family, anything that they found that they were passionate about, that they could create an app. And they would use a student learning guide to dictate how they were to go about to create their app, which shows my appropriate education technologies and processes based on appropriate content pedagogy. Along with that, this also shows that I have an inquiry process to assess the adequacy of learning, as I would assess my students both formally and summatively using this. And the great thing about this was my students were able to create an app for our school for our Leo Club. Here is my student app that they created, where you can put your name and grade and what event that you did to volunteer, and you can submit, and you can have a random act of kindness generator, and also you can show your character's progress. So when I submitted and clicked add, it says that it's added and that, wow, you volunteered over 5 hours. My instructional design project that I created in EdTech 503 showcased that I have created a plan that is flexible and diverse for all learning communities. I had my students use Scratch to create a video game, and the tutorial that I showed them was being able to make a character fly. And the students went on to create great video games to catch the honey, and also had lives, as well as other ones where they're moving around the screen to catch different objects and then that you could possibly lose. So this was a great project for my students.